There's already a dropped into fire message. So it's useful. All right. All right, so let's get right into it here. Items dropped on campfires or open fire sources will now automatically be stoked into fire instead of a new fire existing. Instead of a new fire being created on top of the doodad. Okay, let me go through this stoking thing. We technically could add skill to it as well. Hey, Cherry. Yeah, this is a weird time. Okay. So I think all this added fuel to fire. I don't know where this would go. Where would this go? Like island? Or it's like kind of doodad-ish. Yeah, it's a doodad thing. You're not tired at all? Public. What is this called? Stoke fire? I feel like I do something like this like somewhere else. I'll have to check like anywhere I do like Ember stuff, because I might be able to combine some other stuff into here. So that we don't need. I mean, we could actually. Action executor. Could actually say that. Doesn't exist on player. This should be a human. Doesn't exist on human. Where does it exist? NPC and player. Did I not just try to do this? Action. Oh, it's an oh, okay. It's an action thing. So this yeah, this will be action. I think this just gives rune, right? What the heck is this thing? Action executor. Rune chance alignment. Rune chance. Give rune. Human give rune. Okay, so deity, chance, domain, context. Context is needed. Hey Fluffy. Give rune, yeah, I'm taking a look at what I don't know what context is. Actually give rune. It's like an action, it's the action context. Oh, it's because it certain actions have a rune chance, right? Yeah. So I not slept yet? I did sleep. I'm up. We up. How about you? Oh, that's not even the context. That's the domain. Just thinking, do we want to actually do this for the drop? Yeah, I guess we do. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna have to just fake it. Okay. Give a rune. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, I slept a little bit. I think I did, anyways. Wait, how does this know? Which... chance or deity? Oh, because the domain? Oh, because that's set in the context. Okay. I guess I could actually just use the actual action. Stoke. And then I could probably also use the... I think I could get context. From I can like make I action create this type. Okay, so that... Okay. Oh, you already gave it to me. You're literally doing exactly what I just... Awesome. Action to stop. Okay. Might as well do the... I'm just trying to think. Okay, we need to call this... This needs to be optional. So we removed all that. Because we're no longer having a fire there. I'll have to make sure that we can't somehow still have a fire there. I think we can't. Would there be a way? I don't think so. I actually could have did this smarter. I don't think I actually needed to do that. Damn it. Okay. Yeah, it's... because I need to break this out of that. Okay. Guess we still need human. Where do we get like the, where do we set the domain stuff? I think just in actions, right? Actions, not that one. Action, yeah, action descriptions. Where's that at? Action. I'll find it. It's one of them. It's one of the several files. Name action or actions or iAction? No. Oh, it's actually chaos. Right, I forgot you did that. Okay, we set it in the actual thing. Okay, okay. That... Okay. think we have what we need. Okay, so we stoke it like that. We could actually probably put these particles and sounds in there. So you don't like double up. Don't we just have like a doodad queue? Yeah, because it's an entity. About particles. Particles are only part of tiles. Okay. So that one, yes. Hey, Kent. How's it going? Yeah, you're a VIP. You've been here forever. Not deserved. Does it mean anything? Does it really mean or matter? If it does, then, well. I guess, congrats. Congratulations. Alright, I know a little bit. I play a lot of demos. I do a lot of NextFest stuff. I watch a lot of marketing videos on NextFest stuff. So, yeah, people can't leave reviews on demos. So you could, the old way is basically people used to kind of game the system. They would make a, hey, thanks for the follow. They would make like a game name prologue, and it would be basically a free game, and it would be, I think they actually discourage you. I think you're not like really supposed to try to do that anymore. You're supposed to make it a demo. It's supposed to be labeled as a demo. It's supposed to be like part of the same app ID and stuff like that. Like it's supposed to be connected. I think they don't want you doing that anymore. The old way of doing it would allow you to like leave reviews and stuff like that. So I think what you're describing is you want to do, you know, like a traditional demo. I would highly suggest you do it during a NextFest. I would, sorry for the release itself, I would make a page ASAP. For NextFest, you want to get as many, you want to have as many wish lists as possible when the NextFest comes. So like the best time to do it is right after NextFest. Get your page up, get as many wish lists as you can. Because then when you're going into the NextFest, the next NextFest, your demo will be released. You'll have a bunch of wish lists already, and it'll just be like a kind of a multiplier from there. Don't most demos up these days allow reviews? No. I'm not sure what you're talking about there. I do a lot of demos. Like I do NextFest every single time it comes out. Yeah, so like for example, like last night I played The heck was that called? Here, rather. Motor slice. Yeah, that's one. Motor slice. So you can see that this page exists. There's no demos. Or sorry, there's no reviews. This was part of the Next Fest. You can see that there's a demo right here. It's to be announced, plan released. You can see that it has a community hub. This is where most of like the discussion and stuff takes place. Yeah, you're not allowed to leave reviews on these. So this is what I was describing. Yeah, and the thing Wrath is describing is the old way to do it, which Steam does not want you to do anymore. This was like a whole thing that people used to do. They used to call the game name Prologue, or in that case, Origins, stuff like that. They used to try to game the system to basically release their game twice, which, yeah, is not it's discouraged. I'm not sure if Steam is actively like stopping you from doing that now, or they just don't want you to do it anymore. I don't know if it's like kind of like a written rule rather than like it will actually prevent you from doing it, but yeah, they definitely don't want you doing it like that anymore. But yeah, from a marketing perspective, the best time to get the page up is like right now, because you want to build as many wish lists as possible. I mean, if you put your page up now, you don't have to take part in the next fest, but you know, you could wait like until the next fest. But the big marketing thing that you need to know is like you need a lot of wish lists going into the next fest, because it's like such a huge like exponential multiplier for like getting your game played and stuff like that. Yeah, I have a guy that I follow. YouTube, how to market your game. This guy's really good. Stop. I don't know how to market. I can't remember his actual. This guy.
Question.
He has like a bunch of deep dives on all this stuff. You should probably just look at his videos. He actually does. He has like the data. He's like very analytical driven. But yeah, the big meta right now is the Next Fest. If you have a demo, I mean, you want a demo, but if you have a demo, you want to be part of the Next Fest. That's how you generate wish lists. But you also want wish lists before you go into the Next Fest to get more wish lists. It's kind of like a weird thing. He has actually one of his more recent videos he did. He got like
It's Steam Next Fest time.
this graph right here. So this is a graph or chart of showing what all these dots are like where, how many wish lists the game had before going into Next Fest, and you can see like all the ones that had more wish lists. It was like a multiplier basically of for their wish lists. So you want to have all these ones over here are like, they didn't get very many wish lists from having a demo and putting it in Next Fest because they never had any wish list to begin with. But the ones that did, and there's like some weird, looks like there's some, Steam might be doing something weird at some point. I mean, this is kind of arbitrary because, like, I mean, the sample size is not amazing, but, or it's not as good as it could be, but there is some kind of, seems like there's some kind of bracketing thing going on. But yeah. No, you only get one. You only get one Next Fest. Yep. Well, for the game. For the app ID. Per app ID. I mean, it's, I don't know about polar opposite. Yeah, but there is like, it is more like a staged approach now because of how wish lists work and how like Steam is like driven by wish lists now. Wish lists are the new meta. My view bots are running rampant. Yeah, sorry. I thought I only paid for 1 day. Not really. Twitch, this is a joke. If there's some automated or manual process, that was a joke. Yeah, I mean it is kind of annoying because I don't want a view bot happening. Like it's bad. It's bad in every way. Because it looks bad on me because like somebody's gonna come to the channel and be like, oh, this person has like 100 viewers, but like nobody's talking, so they're view botting. It's like I'm not the one doing it. It just makes me look bad. So if somebody's doing it, please stop. It is not good. It is not a good thing to do. Yeah, how long were you sleeping for? Or sleeping for? I meant streaming until I'm a little tired. I need to get some more caffeine here. Cheap viewers. I'm like, no, I am the cheap viewer. I probably could have raided you after my stream. Wait, if I raid you with like, if I'm being view botted, would they all go? I should have did that. Should have gave them all to you. That's how it works, right? 3-ish, wow. No, somebody take him. I'm gonna raid somebody after. Take him. I don't want him. Okay, so what's the error here? What's happening? Is it because I put chaos on drop? No, it's not. Confused about. Wait, what? The hell is that? Oh, I might have accidentally added a new action or something. Oops. Okay. Okay, if there's a doodad there. So group. So if there's maybe there might be a thing for this. Doodad group is in group, yeah. Open fire source. So if it's in a fire source, or if it is a fire source, open fire source, and blocker. Hey Evan, how's it going? Those are yours, you earned them. No. I'm getting all the people I don't see that often because I'm streaming at such a bizarre time. So I need a checker thing here. Doing good. Have a few days off here, so I'm gonna try to work on this release here coming up. Yeah, we have a major release on the weekend here, so I'm doing some last minute stuff. Yeah, exactly. Actually, to be fair, like I see all you guys regularly, so it's not that different. Just do like yes. Doodad open fire over stoked. Now we have to look for fire drop. False. Oh, it gives us a tile event. Oh, I see. Does that make sense? If it's or open first or fall back to false. I think that makes sense. Dropping into open fire source counts as stoking. Doodad stoke fire. We're already dropping it, so we don't need to. We get. Wait, how does this work? Oh, never mind. Yeah, we do need to. So if the item, there's multiple items, right? Or how do we handle this? Items. Okay, there's multiple items. But we're okay. No, wait. We're handling this. We're handling that in the thing, right? Okay, it's considered a fire drop. Cannot find name Doodad. What were we gonna do here? We were going to set our rune chance. We are going to get the fire stage. I think that was it. Okay, I think we got it. Yeah, is there like the last time I heard about like viewbotting, it's like if you're getting viewbotted, or back in the day, you used to like want to like, I don't know, send them a support ticket or something like that. But now I think you're just supposed to ignore it, right? Oh, there is. Wait, is this still a thing? Why is bad? Why is it bad? I mean, this is so basically report the person that's doing it, but like if you don't know who's doing it, then basically nothing. All right. What's happening here? What am I looking at? Failed to load init script. Unexpected token. Hey. Oh, yeah, that. Um. Can you rewrite this line for me, Chair? I'll get AI to do it. I'm surprised that it allowed it to compile. Is that part of your new system? I don't think I've ever seen that before. Where it like failed to load. Oh yeah. Okay, that's new to you as well. Yeah, I don't know. It's weird. It's a weird one. Your tastes are cringe. Yeah, I'll see what AI has to say. Drop to log into the fire. Oh, camping, right. That was the other one. Actually, it's not showing, not giving us yeah, I don't know, I just get confused sometimes. I'm a simpleton. Can you rewrite this to be better? If we, okay, so if we, okay, I think, so this is, now they're both, but why do we need, because this, because it can be undefined, right? And so what did you want me to do? That's what you wanted? Alright, we'll go with that. Why isn't this happening? We should be getting a message. It does say we're adding it to the fire, so. Oh, this is dump drop items? Okay, so this is a separate thing. So that's happening for each one. Items dropped. Oh no, we're only doing it once here. I'd probably I don't know if we can do this though. Okay, we'll not do that for right now. Until I figure this out. So I've resolved tile drop. I mean, this actually should be happening, too. This should be happening. Because this is... Yeah, why is this not happening? Okay, I have to be back in a bit here. See ya. See you in a bit. Oh, it opened already. Okay, well, what do we want to do here? With this. Oh! Wait. Okay. That works for me. There might be like a way to, like a shortcut. Guys, did you check out my sick shortcut? I was wondering what you were talking about. Oh my god, well, you know what they say. Wait, this isn't helping. Wait, what do they say? You are what you eat? Or wait, no, it doesn't really apply here. I have things on my mind, you know. All kinds of things. Is that a better shape? Well, It was a good run, guys. I'm gonna be banned from Twitch now. Oh god, he set a trap. You're so silly. You're too silly for me. Okay, we got a new mask. Thought it'd be something over there. Oh my god! Oh. I swear I'm not touching it. My body's like, my hitbox is too like big. Big. Shit. But, yeah, that, what's his name? I can never remember his name, the guy with the spiky arms and the, throws the orange blobs everywhere. Holic? No, Malik? Malak? Yeah, that's crazy. Is there supposed to be like another thing at this point? Did I bug something? I feel like there's supposed to be another enemy right now. How did I do this? This broke. Okay.
They're not catching me. Parry them!
The screams of Vindicta's enemies echo throughout New York.
What about like, what if you have like a wheelbarrow? Has this been tested? No, I think Space did actually. Oh no, I'm stuck forever. Yeah. I did soft lock myself. Actually, I don't even need a wheelbarrow to soft lock myself actually. Check this out. Oh, I'm actually I'm actually like hard locked in here. I'm confused about this ability. That was victory? Wait, what? I'm pretty sure I just got wrecked. Victory! That's funny. Look at this bugged animation. We surfing now, boys. No, Cherry, don't leave. We're gonna go. We're gonna go in the, what is it called again? The Clairiere. 1 second though. 1 second. I'll be right back. How do I do this? Lots of goblins. Even more than that. Even more. My computer is struggling even more than you think. I want all the goblins. This is not how you write prompts, by the way. This is not gonna work. With the goblin cheeks, dude. All right, well, that's enough Photoshop today. I see him. Oh. Oh my god. I just hit everything pretty much. That'll never happen again. What does this use as ammo? What? 50. Back. All right, so what was I doing? Okay, we gotta figure out why this is not showing up. think this is just for dumping. Does that make sense? I think. This is like the action. We don't know about the action in here. Okay. Right. Right. Okay, so where do I do this? We do, I don't understand, because we do the drop here. We already set off the trap. Wait, oh, okay, so is this... I bet this is done in other places too. Maybe not. Okay, so from there as well. So we would probably want to do this within here. Anyway. Okay. I do like how I was going to do it originally, I guess. Okay, so we're going to do human, give rune. We're no longer going to add chaos here. skill gain or something? Hey, Ace Nova. How's it going? Human skill. Game. Is it, do we have to do player? Add skill gains. Skills. Skill gains. Skill gain. Oh, skill gain. How did I not see that? Skill gain. Okay. Think we got it now. So we did the blocking, and then breaking the stuff out. Okay, let's see. See if we got it. Dropped it into the fire. So it's full. It's raging. Why am I able to do every second fire? Or every second, oh, because it's because a turn passes. Right. That makes sense. And how does it overflow? And why am I not getting this message still? Drop. Drop. That's, I mean, this has gotta happen. If I put something on a trap, it's gonna, this is blocked. The trap is blocking it. That's news to me. Maybe we block move. That did not work. So many bugs. Disable drop is true on it. I don't think it's supposed to have that snare. Yeah, there's like no way that's supposed to be on there. Let's see where this is set. It's for walls and stuff. Yeah, there's like no way. Fix drop being disabled on explosive traps. There's no way. Guessing it was like for testing at some point. I don't know. So, okay, the other thing is, why isn't this triggering? Wait, it's okay. We are placing it into the fire, so that part is true. The blocking is working. Everything is working, except. Okay, so we know that we're in resolve tile drop because this works. Yeah, I mean that's just how the traps work. I'm not setting up like a custom thing just for snares. We know it's a fire drop. I mean, how is this not getting hit? Okay, so no, that's working. Let's see if we're hitting this. We are hitting that. It's not a. This is not a doodad. That's basically what you told me. I do not. I know nothing about Unreal Engine. Sorry. Sorry, Vamp. What's your problem? Maybe somebody knows in chat. Unlikely, but possibly. Hey, thank you. So there is a doodad, but how do I check? Into is a tile. Oh, so this just never worked? This just never worked. Okay. So... okay, the bug is this. is not a thing. Dude, because this can never be a doodad. Oh, it can be if it's a... it can be if it's a container. Okay, so... this is a bad chick. Okay, let's remove that, because obviously that's not working. Okay, so this is another bug. Dropping items onto traps, not setting them off. Of course it's bugged. Okay, so if it is a doodad, I guess it could be into doodad. Tile. If it is tile, okay, if it is tile and into doodad. Then the problem is when I open a client server, aka multiplayer, the first BP first person character is fine, but the other isn't. Most of the movement are glitchy for some reason. Do I need to do replication? Yeah, sorry, I'm lost at that one personally, but any Unreal Engine people in chat? What did AI tell you? Okay, so if it's a doodad or if it's a tile, then get the doodad. Otherwise, find. So that's iContainer. Okay, I see why that would be like that. Otherwise, okay. Okay, I think we cooking. We cooked. We're barely cooking. We're barely lukewarm here. Fire's raging. Okay, nice. That seems to work. So when we put something on here, it works again. Nice. Okay, so what was the other thing I needed to test? Burn the house down, yep. Okay, so that is all working. Can a fire still? I wonder if a fire can still go on top somehow through fire overflow. Let's see. So if it already has fire in it, return false. is flammable. Tile has flammable items on it. There might be like a weird... Yeah, see? So that we have to fix that. There's actually a log on it. Oh, the campfire went out. Wait, what? No, it's not. It's how can that happen? What the heck? Yeah, it was a trap, an explosive trap. Explosive traps light on fire. If this island doodads get from tile. So yeah, already on fire. That's only been in there for like probably a decade. You might have missed it. Yeah, basically since the beginning of I think it might have even actually been in the free version. What is that? Wayward documentation? I can't remember what it's documentation maybe? Yeah, there we go. Explosive trap. It was not in this one. Okay. Probably when it first came out on Steam though. So yeah, definitely a long time ago. Okay, so that should fix that problem. Let's see. Branch. Let's do a bunch of branches. That might be too many branches. Doesn't really overflow that much. Glad I'm not looking up everything, to be honest. I like finding stuff like this exists gradually. Yeah, there's lots of stuff in there that probably nobody even knows about. Sometimes I find stuff I don't even know about. I guess I haven't tried to like drop multiples. Drop all branches. So that can happen. But you can kind of create like some weird kind of systems with the... I might have actually made like some kind of automation system with this accidentally. So it looks like it doesn't go on top of the fire anymore, which is perfect. No, I wanted to take a look at that at some point. Okay, I think we did it finally. What about if we just stoke normally? We don't get the stuff anymore. Okay, so that is a bug. To fix that. Because we used to do that here. Come on. You can do it. Believe in you. So fixed 2 bugs and added this thing that was sorely needed for many years. That always stumps new players. So that's a good one. It's a good one to do. Dropped items to automatically stoke open fire sources. Fix dropping items, not setting off traps in most all cases. All right. Well, I won't be streaming for too long more here. I have to go do some stuff. What else should we do? I'll do that crafting change. I'll just eat this ice cube. In-game screen. My old pal, my old friend. Category. Crafting sorts. It's category, right? Or no, it's skill. My old nemesis. My old buddy, my old pal. Okay, so the default is now craftable only. So that fixes that. Done. Just kidding. Filter icons. So let's see. Guess it does it by name. We might actually have like icon. What is that? There's a fake button there. Don't even attempt to add that. Why not? It's easy. I'll just like, why not? I'll just add it like before or something like that. It won't be a big deal. Shouldn't be a big deal. I'll just like add in the CSS. I'll just like target like I just need to make this like its own like class. I mean, this is probably the only one that exists in the game, right? Of this input filter, probably, or do we still use this input? Is this part of like some other new system? Oh, it is. Okay. That's okay. So that we still use this. But I can add like a new thing. Okay, I see that this is part of thing. I'll just add a class to it. Why not? Old filter. This is new UI, so this is the old one. I mean, I don't even actually have to do this. I don't actually have to do that at all. Why am I doing that? Because like I can just target, because this is like the old, this is part of the old dialogue stuff, so I can literally just hack it in here. This don't worry. Don't worry. It's fine. Look, just go to bed. You have to go to bed now. It's sleepy time. Do we have icon? What the heck? I don't even know what this is. Let's look and see. This is actually even a thing. Okay, so it's like part of a... I'll have to look at where this is. In the middle of a project now. Gotcha. Hi. Why'd you come to my stream earlier?
I was trying to see what's up, and then it was like a stream on top of scrolling text with like another game being played on top of it.
That was my that's my BRB screen.
It was like a seizure.
Yeah, that's perfect. Too long didn't read. I did end up starting on refactoring custom game options in Churros, like I mentioned. Don't do it. Don't keep it keep it out of this master. How dare you? UI icons. Oh, this actually might be already in there. Filter. There's two filters. Where's filter? Filter isn't just icons. So it's just filter. And it's 8 by 8. No, don't. Why do you want to break stuff right before the release? It's like impossible for you to resist. All right, I'm gonna test it. I'll break it. Don't tempt me. Okay. What? Perfect. Looks great. That we know of. You're gonna pretend like there's not gonna be bugs that we don't know about? Wait, what is this? Ask Copilot about this element and its styles? That's a thing? We're experiencing an issue. Yeah, I'd bet. Oh my god, what did I put in here? I am using DevTools and Microsoft Edge. I'm using the Elements tool to inspect an element. I will give you the below, the DOM structure where the element I'm currently inspecting is located. I'll provide the element itself and its ancestor just as they appear in the DOM. I'll omit the rest of the DOM to keep it short. I'll also give a list of CSS rules. Like, who wrote this? What person said, I'm gonna put this feature in and write that whole thing, write a novel, and it like automatically, not even allow you to edit it, it automatically ask it. This is a feature. This is why there's so much bloat in this stupid whatever. This doesn't even have a before. Crafting. We're in crafting. Oh, what are we in? We're in an LI. Or no, we're not in LI. What's happening? We're in a container. Are we not in the container? We're probably not in the container. That is true. We're not in the container. I don't need to reload the entire game. This is not going to automatically format. What is it? Control F6. Or just F6. Just F6. Okay, so still no before. Crafting. Oh, it's not even part of... Whoa, 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 whoa. It's not even part of crafting. What the hell is this? I think this is the only old dialogue, right? I can just target this thing. There's still like UI dialogue stuff. like everywhere. This might just be old stuff that hasn't been removed yet. I'm just gonna do it. Put it in here. Button pane. That's exactly where we're at. We're in the button pane. It's giving me a button pane. It's giving me a butt pain. Got him. Still not there. We're in button pane. Input filter. Before. What all? Okay, this actually might have to. We might actually need to do some stuff here. I thought it would have done that. Oh, perfect. Ship it. Okay, I was hoping it wouldn't be like in there, but I mean, when we hover, it goes away here, so it actually might. Oh, I see. Yeah. I think so too. New idea. Why are we so big? So we're at grid. Column count. Another option for this would be to make it so this is the thing that gets the hover. Or I could just kind of leave it and just like fix the graphic. That's probably a better solution for now. I mean, it's supposed to just be a quick, easy thing here. So what's going on with like the size? This is reflexing. Background. Why are we zooming? Why would we be zooming? By default, we zoom in. Where is this zoom 8 coming from? I mean, it's coming from icon. It's not equal to null. It is. Do I specifically have to say null? Oh my god. Please, DevTools. I'm dumb. Oh my god. I thought, why did I think it was a width and I, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, okay. We definitely need an 8 in there though. We need 1 8. Oh boy. So this, do we ever do this? This is okay. Then we need to make sure it's crispy. I mean, we should probably do that just on everything in icon. Should we not? Oh, come on, DevTools, please. Where did it just go? Width? Bit? We can't put width in here. We can't put anything in here? Why not? I can't change this at all. Holy shit. Just gonna refresh this. I should have probably just opened and closed DevTools. Why can't I use the var? Because it's not pixels. Can we add pixels to a variable somehow? I don't think I've ever done that. Oh, we do. Oh, I see. We use 1 pixel. I see. Or maybe it's not even supposed to... I'm getting confused because the stupid... Okay, it just looks fine. It was just mangled because of the scaling. That's fun. Spent all that time for no reason. Oh no, it is mangly. It is mangled up. Still. I have no idea why this is like so janky. It's like not scaling the way I want it to scale. How does this one done? Has a margin. That's not gonna... Oh, it does have a width. That afterwards. Wait. How and why? How does it have a width? Does mine have a width? Come on, you can do it. I believe in you. It does. Okay, it just wants a little bit of padding. Oh. So we'll have to scale that padding, I guess. Or wait, is the margin? I don't think a margin's gonna work on that. I mean, that would be cool if it did. Yeah, margin shouldn't affect that, but we could do that. Okay, cool. Finally. Adding top has no effect on that. Oh, we can align self. Yeah, there we go. Forgot it was flex. I kind of don't want like words in the dialogue. It would feel weird. Make sure this works. Wait, what? Oh, granite. Okay, so that updates properly. I'm gonna put in the starter quest instead, like that information. Okay, so that's that. Starter quest. To survive, you'll need to craft new items from resources gathered. Press to open the crafting window. It will show you what you can make from the items in your inventory. By default, your crafting window will only show the recipes you can currently make. However, you can change the sorting to a different view or filter certain item recipes with keywords, which will show you recipes that you may be missing the ingredients for. By default, your crafting window will only show the recipes you can currently make. However, currently craft. However, you can change the sorting to a different view or filter certain recipes with keywords, which will show you recipes that you may be missing the ingredients for. Information to the help and starter quest to explain thing to default sorting view is set to craftable only. You can currently craft. However, you can change this to other sorting methods, such as by skill, name, or others. You can also filter recipes with keywords, which will show you recipes match the filter, including recipes that you cannot currently craft. You can also filter recipes with keywords. You can also filter crafts with keywords, which will show you recipes that match the filter, including recipes that you cannot currently craft. By default, your crafting window will only show the recipes you can currently craft. However, you can change the sorting to a different view, or filter certain recipes with keywords, which will show you recipes that you may be missing the ingredients for. Keep it simple. Hopefully that will help somewhat. Oh yeah, I was gonna add control click. I was gonna add a under show more for item tooltips. Shortcut for stacking, because that's like ass like that's like ass every day, I swear. Added a new tooltip for showing the stacking shortcut keybind for item tooltips. Asked. Atos. Asked. Let me ask you a question. Added a new tooltip for showing for item tooltips. For item, I mean, that's not a tooltip. Added a new. Did you guys hear that? I'm hungry. Okay, it's almost lunch here. Added a new tooltip for showing the stacking keybind for item tooltips. Is that a card already? No clue. All right. How hard would this be to do? More hints help about crafting filters and sorting. show more. Hard enough that I never got around to it. I mean, I mean, there's still bugs with this too, so the empty ones. Show more. I'll just get AI to do it. That'll work, right? Show more. Wait, is this it? Is this the thing? Is this what's doing it? Did I fix it? Could you imagine? It could have almost been it. Okay, so show extra info. Is this respectable? Seems like might be able to do this. Doesn't seem too crazy. You just don't want to do it because you don't like looking at the old code. Show more. Where is... Man, my stomach is going crazy. Inspect. Oh, this is wait, is this even used anymore? Where is this used? Oh, is it like small, big? Show, that's still show more. I don't think this is used anymore. Hints. I think it's broken. What is it? What is it for? I can't even remember. It's what it says. Inspect in dialogue. Oh, is that right? Okay, that makes sense. That would make sense. Get children. Oh, right. Oh, yeah, I remember now. Yeah. And then yeah, that gives you the shift right click. Yeah. That's been broken for a very long time because I don't even remember that. I forgot about that thing. Okay. So we have a few things to do here. Get to work, AI. Claude. Cloisonné. Alright, guys. I'm gonna take off. My stomach is grumbling. Yeah, I'll look for this card. Empty. And what is happening here? I'm gonna like scream right away. Curse. Why is it? Stop. What was I in? No, this. I was just like in some weird bug state. Okay. What is it? What was I even looking for? Empty. Fixed empty tooltip showing for stats in custom game option. No, that's a different thing. Blank. Test. I don't know what that card would be. Tooltip. Yeah, that's that one. All right, I'll figure it out. Thanks, Cherry. We'll just do the same work at the same time and don't try to help me anymore. Okay, that's it. I'll figure those out. And then I want to do a couple. I'll do like some sound stuff tomorrow, maybe. All right. See Ace Nova. Bye, Toes. Oh, Jesus.